Are you envisioning a life nestled in the heart of the Greater Toronto Area's vibrant cityscape? Or perhaps a cozy retreat in one of its charming neighborhoods? Maybe you're contemplating how to best utilize your time and resources without the burden of excessive home maintenance, or longing for more meaningful connections with loved ones.
Well, if you're considering downsizing your living space, here are 5 compelling reasons to embrace the change.
Firstly, downsizing can lead to significant cost savings. As retirement approaches, many of us prioritize preserving our financial resources. Maintaining a large property can be financially draining, with expenses like property taxes and upkeep eating into our savings. By downsizing, we can redirect those funds towards experiences or investments that bring us joy and financial security. Plus, with current tax laws offering incentives for home sellers, now could be the perfect time to make that move.
Secondly, downsizing frees us up our valuable time. No more weekends spent tinkering with household projects or coordinating maintenance schedules. Instead, imagine leisurely strolls, exploring cultural attractions, or simply enjoying time with friends and family.
The third benefit of downsizing is the opportunity to finally pursue your dream lifestyle. Whether it's living by the waterfront, immersing yourself in the city's vibrant art scene, or embracing a more active retirement, downsizing can make those dreams a reality. And with Toronto's diverse neighborhoods and amenities, they're sure to be a perfect fit for every lifestyle preference.
Another advantage of downsizing is the chance to reimagine your living space. Say goodbye to unused rooms and say hello to more functional layouts tailored to your current needs. Whether it's creating a cozy reading nook, a home gym, or a chef-worthy kitchen, downsizing allows you to design a space that truly reflects your lifestyle and preferences.
Finally, downsizing provides the perfect opportunity for a fresh start. Clearing out clutter and simplifying your belongings not only creates a more serene living environment, but also promotes mental well-being. So why wait? Whether you're ready to downsize now or in the future, take the first step towards a more fulfilling and stress-free lifestyle. If this video has inspired you to consider downsizing, be sure to download our free guide, 5 Days to Downsize Any Home. We are the Ambroz Real Estate Team, and we are here to assist you with all your real estate needs in the GTA area. Let's embark on this exciting journey together.